Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today is part 2 of how I ship and pack my orders, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna delay this week because my shirts didn't get shipped on time, so there's a delay with that. But the other shirts that I ordered for a sublimation project should arrive today. So with that, I'm gonna make one shirt for a friend that lives around the corner. She wanted a shirt, silence his consent, for her husband for his birthday today. So I'm just gonna make his shirt out of the 50/50 poly cotton shirt. And then my other shirts should arrive on Saturday. So that should put me back on schedule to ship out all of the orders that were placed from last Sunday to this week. And then I'll start a new list of orders to go out next week as they come in. I also created this order list sheet because I kind of write my stuff down, so I just went ahead and created a order sheet list for myself to use, and I can leave it as a printable download for $1 if you guys want it. And because I think at this point I have enough freebies. What else? Yeah, and the fact that I ordered sublimation, I'm excited to do a video on that. I have a few more videos that I have to record, at least 4 of them. But so far, it seems like you guys enjoyed the vlog. It's to do a vlog chit chat. Yeah, and I need to go back and do the intro to this video. So as I'm getting ready to package more packages, I decided to print out this thank you sticker. This is what my poly mailers used to look like. So I decided to create one to just put on the back of my packages, just to add another personal touch, because I really like these plain ones, but I think sending it, now look, on camera I can't get the sticker off. I think adding this personal touch to it with our business logo on it makes a difference. So I printed these out same way I did the Protect Black Women and Black Men stickers, and I'm just putting it on the back of the packages, so like that. And like I said, I think it just adds another personal touch other than this just a plain label. So that's what I've been doing. What do you guys think? Hey y'all, so UPS just came with my package. This is not the package that I've been waiting on because that one is delayed and will be arriving tomorrow. But this is my shirts, my poly shirts that are 50% polyester, 50/50 poly cotton. So I need to make sure I put them aside, because I'm gonna need these for my what's the thing called? My sublimation. It feels so moist. It's a medium. I'm trying to think, what did she say she wanted? So I gotta do an order for my friend's husband. Large white. And I made these sheets out, y'all. I made these order sheets because I've been writing it down, you know, right here like this. So I made these to keep my orders in track. Then it has like the week on there. Then I need to do one maybe for inventory too. But I made that. So she needs a large for him. So I'm gonna use that. And these feel so weird. It says dry blend. I think next time I'm gonna use the canvas bellas, but I just wanted to try some different shirts for the sublimation. So I got large, medium. Did I get one of each? Oh yeah, I got a large and medium of each because me and my husband wear a large and medium. Put that over there. And then I decided to, even though my bags are waterproof, I decided to go ahead and get some more poly clear bags for the shirts to go in. And oh, there's huge. They're about the same size as my bags that I ship in. So I think I got 11 by 13. So yeah, they're about the same size. About the same size. So hopefully they fold well. They look more sturdy too. So you can see through that. So they fit well with the bag. If you can see. So I'm gonna use that to package. And I'll add that into my routine of things. But I guess I could show you guys me pressing this one shirt before I do all of the shirts tomorrow, because this one is just going to her for a birthday gift for her husband. So I'm going to do that one, and then tomorrow when my shirts come, I'll show you guys me unpacking my inventory for that, and then pressing all of the rest of the shirts, pressing them, packing them, and getting them ready to ship off. Hey guys, so I am getting ready to press a shirt. So one of the things that I do is I fold my shirts in half, finding the seam, and then I press it. Also, this helps with preheating your shirt anyway to get some of the moisture out. I don't know if you guys remember me when I unpackaged it. It felt like the package was moist, so I did that. I may need to move this up a little bit. Let's see. But I still want y'all to be able to see what I'm doing. So I just press that so that it is in half. All right. So then when it comes off, it has that distinct line through the middle. And then I just put that back on the heat press. Remember, it's very hot. And it has that distinctive line in the middle that tells you, okay, this is the middle. So then I take my transfer off of the wax paper, and then I fold it where the sticky sides are on the outside. So again, so my design is even all the way down on my shirt. And I eyeball the placement because I've been doing this for a while now. So I kind of know what the placement looks like. Because that's a better view. So I line both of the lines up right there. Put my Teflon sheet on. And I press it. You can throw away that wax paper. So I set my heat press machine to 305 for 10 seconds for a Sizer Easy Read. That is the vinyl that I love. Beeps. I pull it up. I remove my Teflon sheet. I peel it hot. And then I always go back in for a second press on 10 seconds as well. And I just turn my Teflon sheet a different way so you get the pattern a different way. And a good way to know that your shirt has been pressed good is when you can see the fibers of the vinyl, the fibers of the shirt through the vinyl. So I just press it again for another 10 seconds. Some may say, oh, that's too long. Oh well, that's how I do it. Okay. So as you guys can see, it's pressed. And then after that, I take my shirt off. And I'm gonna go over here. Let me see. Good place to put y'all. Y'all can see. Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna go over here. Shirt is pressed. And then I take it and lay it flat down. And I have like a little shirt folder that I use. This is actually a kid size, but it works because it does the same exact thing. Does the same exact thing as the adult one. It's just a little bit more, a little bit less expensive. So for the first fold, I normally have to fold that myself because it's missing that piece. But for the second fold, I can plop this up and I can actually go back 2 ways. So now my shirt is folded. Again, if you had the adult size, it would be different. So I'm gonna take my plastic sleeve that I just got. I'm gonna place my shirt in here. You can actually take, now that I have these so it doesn't get lost, you can actually take your little packing and put it in here. Then you'll bend this over. And I'm gonna fold it down as little as possible to match. I don't want that much empty space, and I'll press the air out. Then I have my shirt in a bag with my packings, and then I'm going to slide it in here. And this one is not going to anyone, it's not shipping out to anyone, so therefore it doesn't have a label on it, but I still put the thank you on the back. So when she gives this to her husband as a birthday gift, the presentation is still nice. And I always push the air out. So now you have your package, have your thank you on the back with my logo. There you go.